What's going on, everybody? In the last video, we covered iterators and the filter function in Rust. In this video, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into another function that you run on Rust iterators, which is map. So if filter is a function that will allow you to only return items in a list or in an iterator that meet a specific criteria, map is a function that allows you to mutate items within an iterator and return those to create a new vector or a new list or a new iterator. So if we're looking at the code here, we've got the same list of strings here. We've got like this video, please. And what we're doing here is we're creating an iterator out of it. So we're doing items.into_iter, and then we're mapping over each individual item within that iterator. So what a map does is it's more focused on the actual mutation. So it is going to mutate the items within that, within that iterator, and you're going to get a result back. So what we're doing here is returning the item transformed into its uppercase version. So we're taking each individual string within this iterator, and we are returning the uppercase version of that. So we can go ahead and run it. And we've got like this video, please. So that's fairly simple. We could end the video right there, but there are other things that you can do to this. So let's do let secret string equal to foo. And what we're going to do is we can do return secret string plus item to uppercase, not plus. Let's do a format string. Let's do format. That. And I'm really missing my Vim keybinds here, but people do not watch programming videos that use Vim. So here we are. Let's do secret string item to uppercase. All we're really doing here is basically concatenating this here, and we can add, I guess, a little dash in between. And when we run this, we'll get foo like, foo this, foo video, and foo please. So obviously this is a very, very simple version of this. You could picture running this over like a list of individual posts that you fetch from a database and formatting them in a certain way and sending them off to the front end. Obviously this is an oversimplified version because I've got to fit all of this into a video that folks will actually watch. But that's what map does, is it will run over an entire iterator and mutate the items within it in some way and return that version of it. So yeah, that's about it. Take it easy. Peace.